Let me also tell you something, that Alhamdulillah, we are absolutely alert. We are absolutely in a position. Our armed forces are, ready. And there has been an attempt between the night 29th and 30th of April. We had credible news of some misplay or adventurism by Indian Air Force. Alhamdulillah, we made them to run back and turn back to India. Our Air Force moved swiftly, timely, and made them to run back and turn back to India. According to our information, they landed in hurry at Sri Lanka, at Srinagar. ASEAN to hold the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance should be a matter of serious concern to the world community. The treaty provides no basis for such unilateral actions, as he explained. India's actions undermines a fundamental pillar of regional stability with profound implications for the peaceful management of vital shared resources between the neighbors. The National Security Committee of Pakistan, as I said, has made it abundantly clear on 24th of April 2025 that any attempt to stop or divert the flow of water belonging to Pakistan as per the Indus Water Treaty will be considered an act of war. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the international community must take serious note